We're continuing to track the latest developments from the Michelle Carter trial tonight. The prosecution choosing to rest its case today following 2.5 days of testimony.
Several law enforcement officials took the stand today, as well as the medical examiner who testified it took 20 minutes for Conrad Roy to die. Eyewitness News reporter Steph Machado has been in court following this case every step of the way and joins us from Taunton now with more.
Today, the prosecution resting its case after 2.5 days of testimony and submitting evidence that they believe proves that Michelle Carter is guilty of involuntary manslaughter. That evidence includes thousands of text messages and a video made by Conrad Roy himself.
Hi, this is Conrad Henry Roy III.
This video recorded by 18-year-old Conrad Roy 1 month before his death. It's part of the evidence that the Bristol County District Attorney's Office has presented while arguing that Michelle Carter convinced the young man to take his own life when he was otherwise trying to turn it around.
I just want to be a better person. I want to recover from this, and I feel like I haven't recovered from it yet.
Thursday, the Commonwealth resting its case, and police testified about exactly how they extracted those text messages. Sergeant Michael Bates reading them out loud.
You just keep pushing it off to another night and say you'll do it, but you never do.
What does Conrad say?
Okay.
What does she say?
Okay, what?
And what does he say?
I'll prove you wrong.
What does she text him?
Well, are you going to do it tonight or not?
Does he respond?
Yeah.
10:57 p.m. What does he say to her?
I don't think I have it in me.
And what does she say?
I knew it.
Phone records presented Thursday show Conrad was on the phone with Michelle for 46 minutes, pinging the cell tower near the Kmart parking lot where he ultimately died. After that call, police testified Conrad Roy's phone never made another phone call or sent a text message ever again. Now the defense has filed a motion to dismiss the case. The judge will rule on that tomorrow. If he denies it, the defense will begin calling witnesses. Now coming up new at 6, you'll hear the police interview with Michelle Carter from back in 2014, and her attorney is asked, will Michelle testify? Reporting in Taunton with the Mobile Newsroom, I'm Steph Machado, Eyewitness News.
The prosecution has rested in the Michelle Carter trial. Tomorrow, the judge will consider the defense's request to dismiss the case.
Today, we obtained an audio recording of a police interview with Carter shortly after Conrad Roy's death. Eyewitness News reporter Steph Machado has the new details at 6 from Taunton with the Southeastern Massachusetts Mobile Newsroom.
Today we heard more of those text messages between Michelle Carter and her boyfriend Conrad Roy discussing his suicide plans. And the court released audio of the police interview with Michelle Carter back in 2014 on the day they took her phone and asked her what she knew. The prosecution rests its case in the trial of Michelle Carter. The final witness, State Police Sergeant Michael Bates, reading text messages he extracted from the cell phones of Carter and Conrad Roy.
Well, are you going to do it tonight or not?
Does he respond?
Yeah.
The court also releasing the audio of an interview Detective Scott Gordon did with Michelle Carter after Roy's death back in 2014.
He was talking about it for a while, and he told me that like no one would be able to help him.
Detectives asking Carter whether she knew Roy was going to kill himself.
I was trying to get help for him sooner. I wanted him to go with me, and I should have done something sooner.
Police then presenting her with a search warrant and taking her cell phone.
I'll be filing a written motion tomorrow morning for a required finding of not guilty. The grounds will be laid out in the motion, and we'll argue it tomorrow morning.
Defense attorney Joseph Cataldo trying to get the judge to toss the case. If he doesn't, the defense will start calling witnesses Friday. Cataldo was asked, will Michelle Carter testify?
No comment.
And the defense today argued that the text messages the prosecution was highlighting between Carter and Roy don't necessarily paint a full picture of their conversations. We do expect the defense to show text messages from earlier years where Michelle, in fact, tries to dissuade Roy from killing himself. Reporting in Taunton with the Mobile Newsroom, I'm Steph Machado, Eyewitness News.